Good morning, everyone. Guys, can you all hear me and see me clearly? Great. Good morning. How are you guys today? Fine. Great, great. Nice to have you on board, all of you guys. Good morning, Friedrich. Good morning, Jenna, John, Natalie, Rachel, Rahul. Good morning and welcome on board, my friend. So, guys, today is the last trading day of the week. And as you know me by now, we will take it easy, although we are not used to taking things easy. So today we have important announcements coming out in approximately 27 minutes regarding the British pound. We have retail sales figures, and today we will analyze and see some very interesting stuff on the British pound, guys. I have done my homework at home, and I believe that the British pound will strengthen even more against the dollar. Yes, you have hit right. Most probably above 130 and toward the 133 or 1.35 area. Now, I will analyze the charts, and as we always do every morning, and I will explain you technically why this is possible, and also from the fundamental point of view why I'm expecting a short-term and a possible, nothing can be certain, a possible even a more strengthening of the GBP against the dollar and of course against the euro. Now, these two positions, euro dollar, they are the same until the day before yesterday, the 16th of January. And we are still keeping that position, and that is the third day that we are keeping this position, hence the swap. The reason we still have this position is because we didn't have the directional volatility that we wanted on euro dollar, and as a result, these positions have not yet developed well. Let's see what we have done yesterday. Yesterday, guys, all the trades closed except the euro dollar trade that is still running. And the total profits, if you have followed us on Twitter, we have just published that. Basically, the trading session ended here. We closed dollar CHF, dollar CAD, pound Aussie, and pound yen. But last night, as you can see, after the trading session has ended from this point onwards, we have closed our pound dollar positions with a profit, our Aussie dollar straightforward position with a profit, our euro yen trades with a profit, our dollar CAD profits with a profit, and our dollar yen positions with a profit. And we have managed to realize a nice amount of $24,602 yesterday, guys. Now, as we can see from today, we haven't realized anything yet, so we are back to square one for today. However, today is Friday, and I will have to make important decisions throughout the weekend. Either I will give up my positions closer or keep them as they are, and we will see them again in the morning of Monday next week. However, this decision will be taken at a later stage. So let's go straight forward and analyze our charts. First of all, I will write down the positions that I have currently opened. All these are brand new positions except Aussie dollar, except euro dollar. And you can understand that from the opening time of the trades. So euro dollar is the third day that we are keeping these positions, and let me go straight forward on euro dollar. If a pair is, if my trades do not close, I'm keeping my lines, my support and resistance levels. I'm not changing anything, and I will repeat again for the third day in a row that as soon as we see the 1 hour candle trading below 114.12, the downside risk is more high than the upside move risk of euro dollar. So as soon as we are trading below 114.12, probabilities are still valid, and we are aiming for a further downside movement towards my take profit target at 113.634. and towards the support level of 1.1326. In order to say that we feel comfortable with an upside movement on euro dollar, we need to see a 1 hour close above 114.12. This resistance zone is holding the price of the pair for the third day. Guys, this is the first day, second day, third day. Now let's go on Aussie dollar. So for euro dollar, we are short at 1.13984. My stop loss is 1.14554 and my TP 1.13634. This is a position that has been developing for the past 3 days. Now, for Aussie dollar, guys, this is the 1 hour chart of Aussie dollar, and I have entered long positions for Aussie dollar. Let me explain you why. First of all, I will concentrate on the last part of the move. So from this point to the right, I don't care what happened before in terms of support and resistance levels. And I see that I can spot a nice support level at, let me change the color first. Supports are in blue color for me. I see that I have a good support level at 71.50. This number also came up yesterday, if you remember. So we have a good support at 71.50. And that's it. These are the supports for this movement. And I have a resistance level now at this level here. I will put it in a red color. So my resistance level, I'm discounting the resistance levels to the upside, so it's 72.02. So 2 lines to watch out for the moment on Aussie dollar, 72.02 and 71.50. Now, I will use now my Fibonacci of the main move to the upside to see if I have any clustering or any support. And we clearly see that my support is at this point here, 71.73. I will put it in a blue color. 71.73 discounted to the downside, and that's exactly why I have entered long positions here, so that if the price breaks this support, I will reverse to short and get the money, guys. So another level that is important is the FIBO 61.8 of this downside move. So I will mark it with a pink color so that I know that it's an intraday movement, and we see that we have a matching of the 61.8 of this downside move with an existing resistance level. This is a technical indication that this level is very important resistance level for Aussie dollar, so I will increase its thickness so that I know that is very important. Now, another thing that is important is the failure swing pattern on curve, which is still valid, okay, since the price trading below the B bottom. So this means that I'm allowed to take the FIBO 161.8. Is it relevant? The answer is no, because I have observed a close below and a close above this line. So let's go for the next one. And the next one, as you can see, is the 261.8. So that's the 261.8 extension level of Fibonacci. The level is 71.26. I will round it down, since it is a support level. So let's see what the chart is telling us now. Now that we have a clearer picture, we have a very strong resistance level there. We have entered long. We haven't broken it. If we break this support level, then I'm expecting the price to retest the MA 200, and if we break that, to go even lower. All right, so that's the analysis of Aussie dollar, important support and resistance levels. Let me write them down for you guys. I have one important resistance level to keep my eyes on it at 72.02, and support levels. The first support is at 71.73. The second support is yesterday's lows at 71.50. And the third support is the FIBO extension 261.8 of this move at 71.26. So these are the support and resistance levels for Aussie dollar. Let's move on Euro Yen. For Aussie dollar, we have a short position. Let me update you straightforward about that. So for Aussie dollar, I have a long position, not a short position. So Aussie dollar, we are long at 0.721935. But if this blue line is broken to the downside, we will reverse to short. So for the moment, we are long, stop loss 71,365 and TP 0.72285. Let's go to the next one, Euro Yen. Euro Yen is in a nice uptrend, beautiful uptrend. I will concentrate my analysis on this part of the chart, which corresponds to the latest movement of Euro Yen, which has a duration of almost 1 day, a bit more than 1 day. So I will start by marking my support and resistance levels. Now I can see that I have an important support level at this point here. Then I have a minor support at this point here. So it's 124.54 and 124.18. That's my second support. And I have also an important support at this level here, 123.86. Now, I don't have any resistance levels which are relevant to the current price action. So first of all, I will draw my Fibonacci of the last upside move from here up to here. And I see that there is a clustering of the numbers, 61.8. So I'm transferring this support a bit to the downside, 124.13. And I'm increasing the weight of this number so that I know that I have a clustering of data there. Is a support plus Fibo 61.8. Now again, I have a failure swing pattern A, B, C, which has to be completed to the upside upon upside penetration of this level on a 1 hour closing basis. So this means that I'm allowed to use Fibonacci extensions of the corrective move to determine future upside resistance levels and price targets. And as we can observe, guys, the price is now approaching the 161.8, which will act as a resistance level. So I'm marking this as a resistance level. It's at 124.82. And the next level is the 261.8 up to this level here, which is above 125, by the way. So it's at 125.49. So that's the resistance levels revealed by Fibonacci extension levels. So we are long, we have long positions, a nice bullish setup on the 1 hour, also a nice bullish setup and a clustering of the MAs on the 15-minute chart. We need to break above the 124.82, however, in order to see our price climbing even further. So for Euro Yen, we have long positions for Euro Yen at 124.668, stop loss 124.098, and TP 125.018. Next one is Euro Dollar. We talk about Euro Dollar. Let's go to Pound Aussie. On Pound Aussie, we reversed to long on Pound Aussie at 1.8363 from a stop loss 1.79793 and my TP at 1.8713. So let's go straight forward and analyze Pound Aussie. I'm always looking at the 1 hour chart. That's my triggering level chart. That's my signal chart, guys. Trend determination chart, call it as you wish. Now I will concentrate on this part of the move. Okay, we have reversed to long positions on Pound Aussie. So I will start determining now support and resistance levels. I will start with the resistance levels. Let me have a better look on that. Seems very interesting. Don't tell me that there are no resistance levels. No, there are. We have one resistance level, and that resistance level is at this point here. So we have a resistance level at 1.8067, support level. Let me change the color of the line. That's the support level. 1.80, round number, guys. 1.80. And then I will draw. I have another another support level at this level here. 1.7953. Okay. Then I will draw my Fibonacci of the last move, which is this one. 61.8. I have a clustering there. So I will transfer it a bit to the downside at 179.97, and I will increase the weight of this number. 179.97, and I will increase the weight of this support so that I know that I have a clustering of 61.8. There it is. Plus, I need to mark also and check and see the downside movement, 61.8. There we go, guys. It matches with this resistance, so I will increase also this resistance weight so that I know that I have a match there. So we have two clusterings. The range of pound Aussie to watch out, guys, is 1.8067 and 1.7997. Now, this is the range. You can see that for the long positions, our TP is a bit higher than the resistance level. If we reverse to short, we need to break the support and go to this line to hit our TP. Now, having a look on the charts, it seems that the pair is showing currently indecision, and you can see that it's currently trading within the predetermined price range. Currently, we have reversed to long. If we see a penetration every time we see a downside breakout of the MA50, we will be reversing to short positions. So the MA50 on the 15-minute chart is the right line to watch out for this pair. If we have a break below it, we will reverse. As soon as we are above it, we are keeping our long positions aiming to target a bit more than 1.8067. So, key zone for pound Aussie, key intraday price zone. The upper band is, which is acting as a resistance level, is at 1.8067, and the lower band, which is acting as a support level, is at 1.7997. Moreover, we have additional support levels. So my S2 is at 1.7953, and that's it for pound Aussie. Let's go to pound yen. I will switch now to the 1 hour chart, and I will go to pound yen. Now, pound yen, again, I will concentrate on this movement of the chart. Based on my support and resistance analysis, I can identify easily a resistance level, which is at this area here, exactly here, 140. Let me put it correctly. We need to be as accurate as possible. There it is, 142.02. That's my resistance level to watch out. Now, support levels now. Interesting. No support levels for the moment, guys. Or let me zoom in a bit to check better. No, we have one minor support here. Let me check. Okay. Elif has an update. So let's go straight to Elif.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are getting close to take profit on gold, guys. As you know, I opened a gold position, and we are very close to take profit. Our take profit is at $1,500. it bounced back again. Come on, a bit more, and we are there. We are not yet. Okay, we need a bit more. Sorry for that. Just for your information, guys, we are making right now $900 on gold. We went short on gold, and our take profit on gold at 1,287.20, and now we are making $1,200, and at $1,500 our take profit is going to be at 1,620. There we go. We are green lights are coming. This is our first trade, and also on the other hand, what we are looking for is, as you know, DAX. DAX is also one of those assets which we are looking at. DAX went the first time after 3 months again above $11,000, so we are on a very high level. I'm waiting here for a pullback to enter again DAX trade. I'm expecting a DAX. There we go. Ching, ching, guys. We hit our first take profit early in the morning, $1,620. That's the way we wanted, and we needed for this trade 6 minutes. Within 6 minutes, we made $1,620, and we are looking for more. You see, gold is dropping very strongly. Let's wait a bit more for a pullback, and then when the market is pulling back, we will go again short on gold. So, Kyriakos, we are back to you.
Nice one. Well done, Cliff. Nice opening for the live trading room. So guys, upon careful analysis of the pound yen, I have identified the following support and resistance levels, and I will just provide them to you right now. So pound yen, we have a key support at 141.40, and my S2 is at 140.53. And pound yen resistance levels, R1 is at 142.02, and R2 is at 142.59. Now we have reversed to short positions on pound Aussie, as I have informed you. Now I have entered short positions on pound yen. The main reason is because I see here a weakness of the RSI of breaking above the 60 level, bearish parabolics on the 1 hour chart, a bearish cross on the stochastic, but on the lower time frames, I saw a nice penetration of the middle Bollinger Band, a nice bearish cross of the moving average of the stochastic, and I believe that we will shortly hit our TP. It's not far away from our current market price. The only obstacle is that we need to get below MA50. If we see that, we will hit our TP. So moving on, pound dollar, we have reversed to short positions on pound dollar. So let me inform you straightforward about them. Reverse to short on pound dollar, guys, at 1.29449, stop loss 1.30019, and TP 1.29099, guys. And the pair is developing very well. However, we need to see again our trend analysis. So I will concentrate on this part of the chart again. So I will start marking support and resistance levels. So for pound dollar, I have a very strong resistance level at 1.2967, and another resistance level at, let me put it accurately this time, this level here, 129.88. So there is a resistance zone on pound dollar, and indeed, upon testing this resistance zone, the markets move lower. I think we are getting ready to hit our TP on pound dollar, guys. We just need to move a bit lower now. Regarding support levels on pound dollar now, let me find the support levels, if any. From what I see on my chart, I have a good support, minor support though. No, that's not the support. No supports. No supports from price action. Interesting. Let me check Fibonacci. 61.8. There is my 61.8, and the good news is that my TP is above 61.8. So I believe we will shortly no, why I put a buy limit order, made a mistake. So pound dollar, guys, buy limit, I will cancel it. It was put by mistake. All right, there we go. Just cancel the buy limit. So basically, I would like to increase the thickness of this line. No, I want to round it down. 1.8894. All right, so these are the levels to watch for pound dollar. We have a key Elif, you have an update? Okay, yes or no?
Come on, I have some.
All right, let's go to Elif.
Guys, yes, good morning first of all. So we are again short on gold. Guys, and our take profit is very close to it. We are again short on gold, and we have a profit of $2,500 for today. And on the meantime, I want to, there we go, we hit another position on gold, guys. $2,600, ching, and we increased our profits for so far to $22,600. Nice one. I'm going also long on DAX, guys. Here I'm shorting again, I'm selling again gold, guys. This movement is very strong. I'm shorting again gold, and there we go, guys. There we go. I shorted gold, and we almost paid off the spread. Where we put our take profit is at 1,284.40 is our take profit, guys. It's another $2,500 which we are aiming from this trade, and I will take it a bit lower. We are almost there, guys. We are almost there. So guys, this is a wonderful movement. I'm buying also DAX, by the way. I just bought DAX. So guys, we are short on gold and we are long on DAX. These are the two trades. We are short on long and we are long on DAX. Look at this. On gold, we are making $1,400 right now. $1,400. That's great, and we need it for this trade. For now, only in 1 minute we are making $1,300. Shall we close it? 1 minute, 1,400. There we go, guys. $4,040. 4,000. Come on, a bit more, and ching, we hit another take profit on gold, guys. Our third position on gold. And we made $4,550 on gold, and we need it for this trade only 1 minute, guys. Only 1 minute, and we increased our position, our profits to 8,770. And now we go again short. Here we go. We just went again short. The next target gold will aim is 1,280, and we try to get the best out of it. $8,000 early in the morning. It's a perfect start in the morning, guys. You know why gold is dropping so strongly right now? It's because of the trade war. Right now there is a bit of hope regarding trade war, and this makes the market to count down. So guys, we have one position open on DAX and one position on gold, guys. Now that gold is moving a bit up, I will enter again a sell position. This is a pullback, and during a pullback, what we do, we open again a position. Here we go. I just opened again a position, and let's put some take profits. I will put my take profit here at 1,200. 83.30 is my take profit. Here we go. That's the one position. And then the other one position is the same. We put the same take profit. It is at 1,283.30 is our take profit, guys. And I'm aiming from these two positions approximately, let me see, from this position 2.5, and from this position I'm okay, something like $4,500. I'm aiming from these two positions, guys. Let's see how fast we will get there. Looks nice, and that's good. So then we have also one DAX position. We have also one DAX position running, and we have to put now take profit on DAX. I will put my take profit on DAX at 11,040. Now that DAX jumped above 11,000, sky is the limit. So we go with 20 points movement up, 24 point movement up. These are our first trades for the morning. And also I'm going to Italy 40. We always trade also Italy 40, as you know. Let me put here also some of my indicators. I want to put my indicators. Wait a minute. I have a nice template. I will apply my template. Guys, I'm going long on Italy 40. I'm buying Italy 40. Here we go. Just bought Italy 40. And that's the way we want. And now let's me go to gold and decide if we will. Yes, we go for another position now on gold. I'm going for another position on gold. The market moved. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. I was too slow. So guys, until now we made $8,770, a great start. Yesterday evening we made $39,000. This morning another $8,000. That's the way we want. But it's still early in the morning and we still have some time to go, and then we will decide what we will do. So let stuff run and then we will see. Guys, yesterday evening, as you remember, we opened a Netflix position. We opened a Netflix position and we said we will keep that position. We will keep this position. By the way, I have to put the take profit on Italy 40. We are making already money and I want to put a take profit on Italy 40. My Italy 40 take profit is at 19,680. 19,680 is my take profit. Yep, there we go. And with this take profit, I'm aiming $1,900. Let it run and we will decide. So, back to Netflix. As you remember, we were discussing yesterday evening. For all of you who joined me yesterday evening, you know, we opened the Netflix position. We put a stop loss, but we didn't put a take profit. And you remember why we did that? You remember? Well, yesterday evening, Netflix announced his earning releases. Announced the earning releases. It was after the market closed. And but before that, I was reading the forecasts of Netflix, and it was clear that they will make a profit, but it will be not as much new subscriptions as expected. And this is what really happened, and subscriptions are the important indicator when it comes to streaming channels like Netflix, because if the subscription is getting lower, smaller, it means that there are no more clients and no more views, or there are more competitors on the market. This is what happens. The profits they gained, but also the subscriptions they dropped. And after the market closed, after this news, Netflix share dropped for 4%. So I'm expecting today during the opening, as forecasted yesterday, Netflix to drop. So that's why we opened also a sell position. We don't have a take profit. We have a stop loss in case that the market opens with a huge profit, huge gap to have a protection. But on the other hand, we don't have. We are expecting a drop. That's for Netflix. We will see today at 3:30 what will happen with Netflix, and we will see. So now, gold. Let's go to gold. Gold is in a very strong, very strong support drop. I will not open yet my third position. You know, I go when there is such a strong drop with 3 positions. I will not open it yet. I will wait a bit more, because you see on the 5 minutes on the 5-minute chart, we see an up movement. It will take a bit of time, and then we can enter and increase our exposure once again on gold. But until then, we wait a bit more, and when we see a reversal pattern on our stochastic oscillator, then we will enter again. So having said that, I see Kyriakos is really opening one position after the other. There is a lot of tension on the markets. Here we go to Kyriakos. Here we go.
Unmuted.
Thank you very much, Elif. Guys, I have provided you with all my positions and my analysis. What I haven't provided you is the retail sales numbers, which came out approximately 10 minutes ago, and they came out all worse than expected. The retail sales month-on-month figure for the GBP forecast, decrease of 0.8%, actual decrease of 0.9%. Retail sales ex-fuel forecast, decrease 0.6%, actual bigger decrease minus 1.3%. Retail sales ex-fuel forecast, increase of 3.9%, actual increase of 2.6%, worse than expected again. And retail sales year-on-year forecast, 3.6% increase, actual just 3%. So very bad announcements for the pound dollar, but what we see on the price chart, it doesn't react based on the news. So it's actually starting to go up. So it will be very interesting to see how these numbers will affect, if they affect the pound pairs prices. Okay. So for the moment, I have a long position on Aussie dollar. I have a long position on Euro Yen. Still keeping my reverse short positions on pound Aussie, on Euro dollar. I have reversed to long positions on pound Aussie. We need to get out of this trading range, and most probably we will get out of this range. For the moment, I have reversed again to long position. The pair is fighting to keep the MA50, guys. And as soon as RSI holds above 40, I'm biased for long positions. But I said that every time we see the price going through the MA50, I will be reversing to short. So the MA50 is a key line to watch out on the pound Aussie. We have a take profit from Elif. Elif, let's go.
Ching, another one small take profit, guys. On DAX, we had a DAX position open, as you remember, and we closed that position with a take profit of $838, guys. Nice one. The day today started really good, and we increased our profits to $9,608. That's wonderful. Gold started also now slowly to move in the direction we are looking for. Let me see if we can see another one position on DAX to get. As I said, DAX is above 11,000. Sky is the limit now. So we go again long on DAX. Sky is the limit. We just opened again a position on DAX, a long position on DAX. And I will put again my take profit at 11,060. I go for 11,065. It's my movement. It's almost 25 points of movement up. That's the way we want. So on gold, I would like to enter again one position, but it's too early. I want to enter at 1,285.5. I would enter another one sell position. Let's go for it. I will go for a pending order on gold. So I'm going for a pending order with 20 lots. Hello, Solomon. Nice to have you here. We go for a pending order, a sell limit on gold at 1,285.5. This is our sell limit on gold. And when it gets triggered, then we will see what we will put as a take profit. Solomon has a question. Yes, please. We are here to answer all your questions, Solomon. So I see, okay. Guys, have in mind, we have right now 2 positions on gold, 1 position on Italy 40 and 1 position on DAX. Except of those positions, we still have 1 Netflix position from last evening, which we opened for today's position. So, Solomon has a question about GBP, USD. Let's go directly to Kyriakos, and he will answer all your questions regarding Forex pairs. Here we go, Kyriakos.
So, Solomon, can I have your entry level on pound dollar? Because yesterday, Solomon, I have closed my positions on pound dollar. As you can see here, they closed. We have entered, we have reversed 2 long positions, and if you minus the difference, we have made almost more than $1,000. If you determine your entry level, I can have a look and tell you privately what I will do, but have in mind that you need to understand how I'm trading. If the trade is going against me, I'm reversing. So, having said that, we have reversed again to short on pound Aussie at 1.8143, stop loss 1.8713, and TP 1.79793. If you provide me with your entry level, I have done a thorough analysis of pound dollar. We have a strong resistance zone at 129.88 and 129.67, Solomon. So the resistance level that you should watch out is 129.88. As we can see now, we have reversed to short on pound dollar as well today, as you can see here. And my take profit is at 129.09. So what was your entry level of? I'm talking about pound dollar as well. So what's your entry level price of the short position of pound dollar. If you provide me with that, this is the pound dollar 15-minute chart. We have resistance zone at 129.88 and 129.67, and the supports come much lower at 128.94. So if the decline continues, most probably we can see pound dollar trading at 1.2894. Now, never put a trade without a stop loss. Now, suppose that you didn't put a stop loss. The correct stop loss to put now for today, since you have shorted it yesterday, no, never build up on losing positions solely. That's one thing that I hate doing. I mean, this is called the martingale betting system, and it means that you are building on losing positions. So, in other words, you go short. If it goes up, you go short again. If it goes up, you go short again. That's, for me, absolutely the wrong thing to do, right? If you have losses, instead of investing on losses, better to accept them and move on, right? So, just for your information, if I see a close off of the 1 hour candle above 29.88, I will give up any short positions, right? If the pair continues to decline, then we have a chance of reapproaching the support level of 1.2894. Good question. Thank you for that. Now, let's have a look on what our trades are doing, guys. We have made some reversals. The most volatile pair for the moment, and my biggest loser in absolute terms, is the pound Aussie. As you can see, again, the price broke below 50. We have again reversed to short positions, but now the difference is the following. Now we see a bearish cross of the stochastic, guys. Before we didn't see that. We see a bearish cross of the stochastic. Let me zoom in so that you can see that. You see that the red line is below the yellow line, bearish parabolics. There is a downward bias now on the GBP Aussie, but we want the price to break these lows. If we see a low lower than 180, then we have good chances for our short positions on pound Aussie. So it will be very interesting to monitor this pair and see how it goes. Regarding other pairs, Aussie dollar, we see that the support, indeed, it has worked as a support. The price now is trying to rebound again above MA50 and MA200. We need to see the RSI giving up the 40 and going upside. I have a bullish cross on the stochastic, which gives me more probabilities of an upside correction. Now, if this correction will transform into a new trend, we need to see a break above this level in order this to be more probable. Euro yen, probably the best trending pairs. Euro yen and dollar yen for me today, guys, are the best trending pairs. The trend is very clear on euro yen and dollar yen, and this crystal clear is up. We are going higher. We see now that the price broke up through the 124.82 level and is rallying towards our target. We have talked about euro dollar. I'm not going to repeat myself. We have talked about pound Aussie, pound yen. Let me have a look on pound yen. Pound yen, we need to break out of this range. So we are talking about the range of a bit less than 100 pips. Of course, that's nothing for pound yen. It's a very volatile pair. If we break below MA50, we will hit our TP for short positions that we currently have. However, the signals I get here from my oscillators are a mixture of signals. Nothing can be said about pound yen. I have entered short because I saw bearish parabolics, and I used to observe a bearish cross on the stochastic. Also, the 15-minute chart gave me an indication of weakness because it didn't break the 60 level. As soon as we are trading below the 60 level, I believe that the bias for pound yen is to the downside with some caution. It's not of the trades that are crystal clear. For me, the best trades are euro yen long, dollar yen long. These are the best two positions I have traded today. So moving on pound dollar, we have reversed to short. The pair is trying to hold above 129.30. We will see how it will react. We have bearish parabolics. The RSI is below 40, which is something that I like. Stochastic, on the other hand, gives contradicting signals. So the signals are a bit mixed on some of the pairs. Let's go to the Kiwi. The Kiwi is within a trading range. Within a trading range, guys, you see that it's a very narrow trading range of 20 pips. We have shorted it here. Bearish setup on the MAs. Weakness of the RSI to break above 60, broke below 40, now is testing again the 40 level, which is now a resistance level on the RSI, bearish parabolics. I think we are on the right path on the Kiwi. However, for our short positions to survive, we need to break through 67.30, which is our support level here. Contrary, if the price recovers and makes new daily highs, we will reverse to long. We are going higher and most probably towards 68.25. But for the moment, we are still keeping our short positions. Dollar CAD, we have entered short, guys. A very narrow trading range on dollar CAD, very narrow trading range on dollar CAD. Expect dollar CAD to explode, and most probably, from what I see here, I have a clustering of the MAs, and we have two levels to watch: 132.64 and current daily highs. I'm speculating that the support will break and we will move higher. Why? Because the RSI failed to break above 60, and it seems that it has a downside movement. Also, bearish cross is observed on the stochastic oscillator. As you can see, the percentage K line crossed below the percentage D, the yellow line. So I'm aiming for a bearish cross. And on the 5-minute chart, the parabolics have also just turned negative. Bearish cross, I'm expecting a decline for the moment on dollar CAD, and I think it will be a good decline on dollar CAD if we break the 132.64 level. Expect a sharp decline to the downside, guys, on dollar CAD by downside penetration on the 1-hour closing basis of the level of 1.3264. Moving on dollar CHF, we have short positions on dollar CHF. Now, I think here I made a mistake. But we still have this resistance level keeping our guard. The reason I say I have a mistake is because I got carried away. The only thing that is bearish is that there is nothing bearish. I made a mistake here, guys. I should have entered long dollar CHF. However, the resistance level of 99.45 still holds. If the price breaks significantly above this level, then if it goes to 99.61, I'm reversing to long, targeting close to parity. But for the moment, it seems that the resistance holds. We will come back and check about it. Dollar yen, the next best trade for me for the moment, is in a clear uptrend. I have entered long positions and everything looks nice for the moment. 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart. Look at the 1-hour chart. The price has given up. The MA of 200 periods, the RSI is very bullish. The same for stochastic. We are aiming higher and our target is close to 110. Actually, it's a bit lower than that, 109.848. So, having said that, these are the forex positions that we currently have. My eyes are on pound Aussie. It indicates some nice volatility. We have reversed to short. So I will keep an eye on pound Aussie and see how it behaves. As I said many times, my line that I watch is the MA50 and break below that, and it seems that we will see that happening. It means a further downside movement, but we need to break that 179.97 level. So most probably we will see that. We need to be patient and I will keep you updated. So guys, how about you? Let's see who is with us. Alan, Dan, Adrian, good morning. Fodi, Friedrich, Jenna, John, good morning, John. Good morning, Julia. Larry, good morning. Kylie, Lauren, Mary, good morning. Nina, Patrick, Rachel, good morning. Rahul, and of course Solomon. Guys, any FX positions today? If you have placed any forex positions and you are trying to follow my trades, don't forget to use this Excel spreadsheet which calculates the next reversal position size. If you don't have it, ask for it for your personal account managers. And another reminder that today is your last chance, guys, to upgrade your trading programs. Trademy is offering 15% discount on any upgrades or any purchase of new training programs, okay, until Friday, until today. So today is the last day of the offer, 15% discount on all training programs offered by Trademy.com. If you'd like to know more about it, you need to contact your personal account managers at Trademy.com. So let me write this down. This is a reminder that today is the last day for 15% discount on all training programs by Trademy.com. For more info and specs, contact your personal account managers at Trademy.com. What are the benefits of upgrading your training program? You're upgrading your training power, you're upgrading your training knowledge, you're upgrading your trading skills. So guys, what are you waiting for? That's a huge opportunity for you to go to the next level of trading skills. Upgrade now your training programs, guys. So having said that, I think we have concluded, from my side at least, the morning session. So far, we haven't closed any positions, so we're back to square one. But as you know, it's still early in the day. We will be here with you the whole day, and we will go live on and off all the time to update you about our current positions. Some educational webinars will follow, and don't forget that we are always here available to answer any questions you might have using our chat room. Elif, do you have any updates for the students, or shall I start the session? Okay, let's go to Elif.
Hello guys, welcome back. So we opened another one Italy 40 position, as you know, and right now we are making on this position $800. Here I want to put also a take profit, maybe not as high as the previous one, just to get a bit more money in. So my target for this position, which I open, is at 19,660. This is my take profit, and approximately $1,300 profit for this position as well. So we have two positions open on Italy 40, one position open on DAX, which is profiting, two positions open on gold. They run still, and we have one Netflix position from last night. So guys, get ready. These are our positions, and now my pending order, no, my sell limit still didn't get triggered. As you know, I'm looking also for a sell limit on, I have also a sell limit on gold, which is still running, and it's okay. And we will go for a nice trade. However, guys, I wish you all a nice day ahead. To all of you, it's great. We had a great start so far in the morning. We made some nice money on gold. In total, so far, we made $9,608, and we are looking for more. We are looking for more. You know, $15,000 is our daily profit. We almost hit 2/3 of it, but as you know, maybe the market will reverse and we need to close something with a loss or something. But we wait and we will see. So guys, looking forward to see you in the afternoon. Have a nice day ahead. If some updates will happen, we will be here and inform you accordingly. So enjoy your day, guys. Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, as you can see, we are approaching our take profit level on Euro Yen. As I said, Euro Yen and Dollar Yen are the best trades with the clearer trends for the day. So we are indeed approaching the take profit of Euro Yen. It's a bit above 125 round number, guys. So we are aiming for our first $3,195 on this trade. And you are monitoring my screen, and I will let you know as soon as we hit TP. We are just 8 pips approximately away from our take profit target. Thank you very much. So guys, a quick update. We are monitoring the pound Aussie chart. It's trying to break through the 1.7997 level. RSI crossed below 40. Days like this, I think it's a matter of time to see a collapse on pound Aussie, and our TP is standing there. But as I said, we need to see a penetration of the very important support, intraday support level at 179.97. We are monitoring the 15-minute chart of pound Aussie, and if we see a penetration of that level, then we are very close to hit our TPs. Actually, I'm expecting pound Aussie, based on support and resistance analysis, if we break this level, to go even lower than our TP and reapproach the area of 179.50. Now, regarding Euro Yen, the pair broke above the resistance level. Now is recovering. It's holding its short-term MAs, short-term time frames. On the 5-minute chart, we are still above 50 moving average. So 50 moving average on the 5-minute chart is the level to watch. A break below 50 moving average will cause us a reversal on short positions on Euro Yen. So for those of you who are following us on Euro Yen, your eyes should be on the 5-minute chart. We don't want to see a close below 50. Of course, we have the support there. We will see how it will handle. For the moment, the higher time frames of Euro Yen, you see here, that's why we have the decline. We have the MA of 200 periods, but let's see how the price will react while approaching, and if it approaches the support level at 124.54. So we are long on Euro Yen, targeting higher levels. We will see what will happen with that. So for the moment, the best pair to monitor is pound Aussie. We would like to see downside breakout of this support level. If we see that, then expect pound Aussie to hit our TP and most probably to go even lower towards 1.7953. Don't forget that today is the last day, the last chance for you guys to upgrade your training programs. Trademy is offering until the end of the day 15% discount on all training programs. So with that quick reminder, that's the end of my updates. You're monitoring my screen. If I have anything important to mention, or if anything changes, I will come live and inform you straightforward about it. In the meantime, you can use, of course, the chat room and ask us any questions you have regarding trading, and we will be more than happy to assist you in that. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm back. It seems that the pound Aussie has finally broken below the support level of 179.97. And as we can see on the 15-minute chart, is declining to the downside. So based on the philosophy of the hedging system, our aim is for the biggest short position to fully cover the losses of all the losing positions and eventually close the trade with a profit. What we are observing now on pound Aussie is a breakthrough the support level of 179.97. New daily lows, everything shows good for the moment. A nice bearish cross on the MAs, the first bearish parabolic again. We had a bullish parabolic here and now we reversed again to a bearish. So I believe that if the decline continues, we might approach the level of 179.53. The hour is approaching its close. We need 20 more minutes for that. A 1 hour close below the red line, I think it will trigger further selling pressure on pound Aussie, and eventually we will hit our take profit target. So it's very important the next 15 minutes until 2:05, where the 1 hour candle closes. To see the 1 hour candle closing below this level, if we see that, then our chances of hitting the take profit are increasing. And also, as I said, if this decline continues, I'm expecting to find the next support at 179.53 level. Now, looking on the Euro-Yen trade, we see a nice upon correction towards the short-term MAs, that is the middle Bollinger Band and the MA10. We see a nice rebound to the upside. Now the 15-minute chart is closing again above the resistance level. So we are on the right track on that as well. If the price continues to go up, we will observe bullish parabolics, and if we see that, I believe that we will hit our TP eventually on Euro-Yen. Now, the next one is our short positions on pound dollar. Again, here we see that the resistance area is still holding. We are trading below the resistance area. First parabolic bearish now on pound dollar. We want the other side to break 40, and if we break these daily lows, current daily lows, I believe it's a matter of time to hit our TP, or even fall even further, as I said, towards the 1.2894 support level. So having said that, brief pause. My eyes are on pound Aussie, since it's a position with the greatest prospect of making a sudden move to the upside and eventually hitting our TPs. So we are monitoring pound Aussie for the moment, and I will update you if I have any changes on that. Thank you. Okay, guys, we see that pound Aussie continues to decline. Now we see red lights there. It means that we are approaching the green lights level, so we are approaching our TPs fast on pound Aussie. In 7 minutes, we will also observe a 1 hour candle below, close candle below the support level. The pair seems to have lost the 180 round numbers, so it's declining fast. And this means that we are making money out of pound Aussie, guys. A nice one. Let's see if we will hit our TPs. Now, as we can see and try to understand the philosophy behind this system I'm using, we see that the biggest short position has already fully recovered almost the losses of all losing positions, and we will now be in the phase of, in the financial industry is called in the money. Currently, we are a bit out of the money, so this means that if we close now the positions, we will lose some money. But shortly, if the pound Aussie continues to decline, we will be in the money. This means that by closing all of our positions, both losing and winning, we will be making a significantly much more money than the losing positions. So we are waiting for the green lights to light up, and soon this will happen. I believe, especially if the decline continues. Now, the 1 hour candle close is very important. So the 1 hour candle close will close in 5 minutes from now at 2:05 platform time. The indications I get from the 15-minute chart are very encouraging. I see bearish parabolics. The short-term MAs are looking to the downside. So most probably the decline will continue as forecasted towards 179.53. So there we go. We see now the green lights. Soon you will see that this position will fully cover the losses of the previous ones. Currently we are making $31,000. We are marginally close to hit our TP. We just need any of these losing positions to hit stop loss, and we will manually close all our profitable positions. That's the philosophy, and this is what we will do. So let's see if if the decline will continue. We are marginally close to hit our TP, guys, now. Just 3 pips away from the stop loss of these positions, and if we see that, then we are closing all the winning positions. And this will be the first profitable trade for the day, guys. So far, we haven't closed any positions, so you are monitoring my screen, and let's see if we will manage and hit our TPs on our short positions on pound Aussie. Very close to hit them. Let's see, guys. Have in mind that pound Aussie is a very expensive pair. The previous 2 days, the spread didn't treat us well, but today I believe we will do great. So we are approaching the TP, just 1.2 pips lower, 0.9 pips lower, and we will get the money, guys. You see already we covered the losses of the previous position. Let's see. Just 1 more pip, and we will get the trade, guys. Are you watching this? 0.6 pips. Now we want basically this price to go to 793. If we see that, we will hit our TP. A sudden upside move now on pound Aussie. We need to be patient. No need to panic at all. Just stay calm, follow the strategy, and you have nothing to be afraid of, guys. So let's see, the support is there. I don't have any other supports. So we are getting ready to hit TPs on pound Aussie. Let me switch to the 1-minute chart. Now, we see that the price reached our level, but since we have short positions, don't forget that we are closing on the ask prices. So we need to be patient a bit more, and we will get it. We are very close. Anyway, there is nothing holding the pound Aussie there. The next support is at 175, at 179.53, based on the trade analysis of support and resistance levels I have performed this morning here live with you. So I believe it's a matter of seconds to hit our TP. Marginally missed that by 0.2 pips, guys. We want this price to go to 793. We are monitoring the 1-minute chart, and I want this price to go to 793. Half a pip more, and we will get the money, guys. 0.6 pips now. There we go, guys. We just closed. Let's close also the profitable positions. So we have just realized our positions on pound Aussie with a profit of $2,566. So that's our first profitable trade for the day, a nice start. So we stay with the remaining of the positions. You saw it here live with us. I will keep you updated if I have any changes. Thank you.
So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Welcome to the afternoon live trading session here at Trademy.com. I'm Kyriakos Harilaou from the Forex trading from Trademy.com, guys, and I would like to welcome you to another great session here at Trademy.com. So let's see quickly who is with us this afternoon. I see with us some newcomers as well, so welcome people, and I hope you enjoy this session. Let's see who is with us. I see with us is Andrian. Welcome, Andrian. Good afternoon. Alicia, Allen, Brian. Good afternoon, Brian. Good afternoon, Chloe, Dan, David. Hello, David. Koich. Hello, Fred, Friedrich. Welcome, George. Good afternoon, Ivana, Jeff, Jenna. Hello, Mike. Hello, Patricia. Hello, Jenna. Hello, Julia. Hello, Kylie. Larry, Lauren, Mary, Megan, Mike. Good afternoon, Mike. How are you? Natalie, Nina. Oh, I hope I pronounced that correctly. I'm great as well, Mike. I think it's Olufafemi. Femi. Okay, Elif had just informed me. Hello, Femi, good afternoon. As I said, Patricia, hello. Rachel, hello, Rachel. Hello, Patrick, Ryan. So, hello, Sushila, and hello, Vasi. Correct me if I'm doing any mistakes on your names, guys. So, welcome to the afternoon session. I need to update you about the news announcements that came out on dollar CAD, and we have observed this huge volatility on dollar CAD, a volatility of 60 pips, guys, up and down. Basically, it was the important news announcements that we had regarding the Canadian dollar. CPI, guys, it came out at 1.7%, and the Bank of Canada CPI came out 1.7%, which is better than the previous month forecast. Hello, Vasi. And also the CPI for Canada came out better than expected at 2% versus 1.7% forecasted, guys. Now, this has caused this volatility on dollar CAD. For the moment, we are short and we keep our short positions. We have marginally hit our take profits, but the volatility, the rebound was so quick, we didn't have time to trigger them. So we are still short on dollar CAD. Now, based on the analysis performed in the morning, and as I have mentioned many times, support and resistance levels are of great importance. Now, what do we see on dollar CAD? We see that the price has penetrated below the support level, guys. So this indicates most probably a further downside movement. We are not far away from our TP level, but as you can see, the price, the daily range of the pair today is very narrow. So it means that we don't have volatility on the pair, with the exception at the time of the announcement. It has made a spike, as you can see here, but then again is dead. A small rebound and then is stuck there. Moving on, we have long positions on Aussie dollar. Now, in order for our long positions to stand any chance, we need to break above this resistance level, as it has been identified during our morning trading session, trend analysis. Don't forget that every morning is very important for you guys to attend the live trading room, because I'm performing support and resistance trend analysis on all the 10 forex pairs that I'm trading, and support and resistance levels identification is, I will repeat it once again, is the alpha and the omega of technical analysis. You need to learn and see the procedure of identifying support and resistance levels. Now, this resistance level at 72.02, guys, it's a very important level because it is a match, it is a clustering with a FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So we have two elements there preventing the price from breaking that level. We have the FIBO 61.8 and it is a resistance level on the 1 hour chart. In order for us to reverse to short positions on Aussie dollar, we need to see a break below 71.73. Now, neither the first one happened nor the second one happened. As you can see, the pair is still trading and respecting the bands of the trading range. So again, on Aussie dollar, we observe today a very narrow daily range of no more than 30 pips, guys. 30 pips daily range. Very quiet today, the pairs. They are not moving at their majorities. However, we will see what we will do. So we saw Aussie dollar, we saw dollar CAD. So Aussie dollar and dollar CAD, very narrow trading ranges, not moving for the moment. Let's move on to Euro Yen. Euro Yen has moved a bit, but then this movement now has been almost erased. Just for you to imagine, the pair is trading just 30 pips, 35 pips above its opening price level. So we had some volatility in the morning, but then the direction of volatility weakened, and we observe now sort of a trading range. Now, the key level to watch out for Euro Yen is the 124.82. That's a very important intraday resistance level with the support coming at 124.54. Now, for me, the 50 moving average of the 15-minute charts will play an important role to the further directional volatility movement of euro yen. As soon as it's holding above MA50 and above this support, then we have good chances for further upside movement at a bit higher than 125 round number. Moving on, and just for you to imagine the volatility of the pairs for the past 2 days, now we have reversed to short positions on euro dollar, not yesterday, the day before yesterday, guys. And still this short position is still holding. We didn't have a movement against it or in favor of it at all, guys. And look at that. I mean, euro dollar opened at 13.90 and is now trading at 13.98. So this means that it's trading 8 pips away from its opening price. So again, the euro dollar is very quiet today. No volatility at all on the pairs, guys. So we will move to the next one. Pound yen is trading. It has some volatility. As you can see, we have marginally hit our TP, but we haven't managed to trigger the price yet. The price touched it, but we missed that with for a few pips, and we haven't closed our pound yen short positions. Now, we see here a support level. We need to see a break again below this support in order for our short positions to have chances of being triggered. Pound dollar, as I have mentioned in the morning, the 129.88 and 129.67, this area here is a very strong intraday resistance area for pound dollar. The price has managed to break above it yesterday, just a few minutes before midnight, rejection, and then today came the real rejection. So as soon as we are trading below this resistance level, the pair has more chances of continuous decline, and most probably it will reapproach the support level which is set at 1.2894. Okay, now again here I'm using the MA50, the orange line, the moving average of 50 periods, as a triggering level for any long position. So if I see a penetration of the MA50 to the upside, I'm going long, guys. For the moment, I'm keeping my reversed short positions. Moving on, we have reversed to long positions on the Kiwi. Again, another pair with very low volatility today, from 67.50 to 67.73. So that's 23 pips of daily range. Nearly impossible for me to make money out of it due to lack of directional volatility, guys. So we will stay on it and we will see. Last one, not last one. We still have 2 more pairs. As I said, USD CAD, we had some volatility because of the news announcements. We came very close to hit our take profit. We are observing now a rebound to the upside, but as soon as the pair is trading below this level, I believe that the pair will continue to drop and eventually will hit our TP. Now, in order for us to reverse to long positions, we need to see new current day's highs, guys. For the moment, it looks a bit difficult to do that, so we are sticking on our short positions and let's see how it will develop throughout the day. Dollar CHF, let me check dollar CHF. We have short positions. We see now how the price actually respects the resistance level. This level was not in the morning when I have done my analysis. My analysis was performed somewhere here. So this candle was not before before my analysis. Look at how the price actually tests that, and look at how the price actually tests that. So we have again a range on dollar CHF. Very narrow trading ranges today, guys, in the forex pairs, just 13 pips. I mean, it's nearly possible to hit TPs if we have these small trading ranges. But it's Friday, and usually Fridays are like that. So dollar yen, a promising trade, I would say. However, I had expected an upside movement from the morning. It has corrected, tested the Bollinger Bands. Now we have bullish parabolics It seems that RSI tested the 40. It seems that dollar yen is regaining its bullish momentum, and most probably we will be approaching the 110 round number. Our TP is a bit lower than that at 109.848. So having said that, a kind reminder, guys, and I will post it in the chat room as well. Trademy is offering 15% discount on all training programs till the end of the day, guys. That's a unique opportunity for you to upgrade your training programs to a higher level, to upgrade your trading power, to upgrade your knowledge and your trading skills. If you'd like to upgrade your training programs, you need to contact your personal account manager at trading.com, and he or she will guide you through the process of how to do that. We highly recommend an upgrade of your training programs. It will make things more easy and better understandable while watching us trading here in the live trading room of Trademy.com. So having said that, we are monitoring the news also from forexlive.com. Don't forget to monitor the news from our partners portal website. Regarding news announcements today, I think we are done. We don't have any major news announcements. Is Martin Luther King's birthday on Monday, January 21st? Are the US markets will be closed, right? So on Monday, guys, we will not have US markets, but we will still be here for you. And we don't have important announcements on Monday, apart from the PPI of Germany, but the good stuff will start on Tuesday morning, guys. Tuesday morning, we have GBP announcements, average earnings, a very important announcement for the GBP, and CPI for New Zealand, guys, later at 10:45 p.m. UTC time. Wednesday is interest rate decision date for the Japanese yen. So those of you who will be having intraday or overnight positions on the yens, you need to be aware that we have interest rate decisions. Moving on Wednesday, we have retail sales for Canada at 1:30 p.m. UTC time. And on Thursday, I think it's a big Thursday. It's going to be a big Thursday, guys, for Australia and the European Union. We have unemployment rate figures and employment change figures early in the morning for Australian dollar. And we have interest rate decisions and for and a press conference, of course, for the European Union at 12:45 p.m. UTC time, and 1:30 is the statement and the press conference of Draghi for the ECB, guys. And that's it for the following week. Now we are monitoring the dollar-yen trade. Is doing really well, so we are trying to break now the current daily highs. If we do that, we will see a sudden upside movement, and I believe that the price, if the upside movement continues, we will most probably hit our TP within our trading session. So, how many of you have traded Forex pairs, guys? Does any one of you has any positions on Forex pairs? Don't forget that I'm using a particular system called the mathematical hedge system. Take this Excel spreadsheet from your account managers if you don't have it. This Excel spreadsheet, it assists you to calculate your next reversal position size. So my philosophy is, why shall I hit stop loss and don't reverse the trade if it goes by a next number of pips against me and turn the losing trades into profitable trades? For example, on pound dollar, you see a buy position, 10 lots, and a sell position of 21.49 lots. So this means that your initial position size at your own personal discretion is this one, and this is the first reversal. The second position that I have, I reversed one time. So Rachel followed me on Aussie dollar and dollar CAD. Rachel, the two pairs that are not moving at all. It happens, all right? So Aussie dollar is not moving, guys. Dollar CAD is not moving. Now it started to move a bit, but very narrow trading ranges on these pairs. Let's see what we will get out of it. So we will keep our positions. We will allow them to further develop and see how they will behave, guys. So have in mind that you must have in mind the importance of social media, guys. It is very important just to follow us on our social media. So it is very important because our Trademy team is focused on providing you with the best and latest information from the financial markets. Our social media presence can assist you improve your trading by following us. We have a Facebook page at Trademy Trading Education. We have a Twitter account at #TrademyA, where we share useful information regarding our Forex positions, performances, close positions. And of course, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel at Trademy Trading Academy. Currently, we have more than 10,000 subscribers. There you can see our recorded full sessions, trading sessions. You can see our highlights. You can even save the sessions because I'm showing every day and something new. And in case you haven't understood it, you can download them on your PC, tablet, or mobile phone and view them as many times as you wish. So YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, very important to follow us on this media because you know that the best way to become better in something is to get more and more information in different ways. So Trademy provides you with this possibility in our social media, and we definitely, guys, expect you there. You know the importance of social media. No need to clarify that. No need to mention that again. So guys, go for it. Follow us on our social media. So, as I said, 15% discount on all training programs until the end of the day, guys. How many of you have already upgraded your training programs, guys? How many of you have already upgraded your training programs? This is a unique opportunity Trademy is offering you 15% discount, guys, 15%. So anybody who has upgraded his or her training program, take advantage of this opportunity, guys. These opportunities are not coming every day by Trademy. Take advantage of it and upgrade your training programs to the next level, guys. You will understand immediately the difference to that. So, having said that, that's all I can say regarding the Forex pairs. I don't know if Elif, you also had some questions regarding gold from Mike, but since you were in a one-to-one session, I haven't answered them since you are the gold expert, Elif.
Yes.
Basically, they are asking for anything hot today, anything to trade. So I will go straight forward to you to answer for this question.
Hello, guys. Welcome here to the afternoon session. Anything hot? Gold is very hot. Gold is very hot. Guys, look at this. We closed all our positions. Oh, this is not what I want to show. Let me see for today. So we closed all our positions, which we opened in the morning, and we made so far $26,583, guys. Gold was very hot today. We hit all our take profits. You remember we had also a pending order. It got triggered. It hit take profit with $5,120. And we hit another gold take profit with $2,500 and then another one with $4,170. So gold is the hottest asset today. Gold made us a lot of money, $26,583 so far, and we still have the US opening in front of us. And I'm looking right now still on gold, and I'm going again short. I'm going now again short, Mike, on gold. Here we go. Just opened a short position on gold. You see the market drops. We have pulled back, and then it drops again. So we go again short. I just opened again a short position on gold. So we have right now 2 positions open. We have 1 gold position and 1 Netflix position. You remember, I opened yesterday evening a Netflix position, still waiting for the market to open to see how we will react on that, how the market will react, and we will get. So let's put our first take profit on gold for the afternoon session. I will put it at 1,281.00. Yeah, that's good. Guys, we have to be now, we've got a bit more, how can I say it, conservative, because we had this strong drop today throughout the day. You see that, and at 1,280, I'm expecting again a slowdown. I'm expecting here a slowdown. That's why we go now with smaller take profits. However, guys, the hottest asset today will be also Netflix. It's interesting, and also important, since we had yesterday the earning release of Netflix. It was after Wall Street closed. Netflix had the earning release, and we are expecting now in approximately 7 minutes the market to open, and we will see how the market reacts on that. And we don't have a take profit, we have a stop loss. So if the market opens with a big gap, our stop loss will get triggered. I have a stop loss, I put a stop loss at $1,800. So if the market moves higher than $370, then my biggest loss, which can be, it's just $1,800. So next one, we go for the next one. Yep, gold is going nicely. It's what we want. We go now to DAX. We see what DAX did. DAX moved up, move up. As I said, if it hit above 11,000, you know, sky is the limit. It went up. Italy 40, the same reaction. The market moved up, not as fast as DAX, but still a very nice one. Now, during the opening, let me see who's new with us. Anybody new? Never saw me trading? Anybody of you never saw me? I think Brian never saw me trading. Cleo saw me. David never saw me. Mike. Okay, Netflix and gold, yes. Trademy, yes, I'm trading mainly gold and oil and indices. I'm trading mainly this. Currently, I just opened the gold position and the Netflix position. Yeah, gold, Mike, reversed, unfortunately, dropped very strongly because, as you remember, we discussed yesterday that if there is any move on the market, like Trump or anybody is giving positive signals, gold is a safe haven. When positive signals are coming, then it's dropping. So currently I'm selling gold. Let me write down the position. I am short on gold, and I opened that position at 1,282.33, and my take profit is at, oh, I put the take profit quite big. However, we will see at 1,282. This is my take profit. I put it at 81, but my take profit should be at 82. I just go for a drop of 30 cents. However, we will see right now, we almost paid off the spread on gold. You see, we almost paid off the spread, and we see how fast it will drop to get some more money. Netflix still didn't open, so it's still at $271 loss, and we still see. Now, in 3 minutes, the US market will open, and when the US market opens, I'm trading mainly USA 30 and USA 100. These are the two assets I'm trading, guys. Have that in mind. We will see a movement on them, and we will get with the movement, just for you to know. And on our third screen here, we have our gold position open. Netflix, I will leave it there for now. Guys, I'm getting ready to open a buy position. Here we go. I just opened a buy position on USA 100, and I opened a buy position on USA 30. The market is really crazy. Look at this. Look at this. We opened already a buy position on USA 30 and a buy position on USA 100. Let's put already a take profit over, although the market didn't open, the US market didn't open yet. We put a take profit on USA 30. We are making $300. I put a take profit at 24,590. I put a take profit at 24,590 for USA 30, and for USA 100, I put a take profit at 6,790. This is my take profit for USA 30, USA 100. We have another 1 minute to go, and then we will hit some, we will make some movements. Let me see. Looks nice. Looks nice and interesting. Looks nice and interesting. So, guys, what I do, just for your information, for all of you newbies, I follow the market movement. If I see during the opening that the market goes very strongly up, I'm going with the market. That's it. And then I'm closing. I'm aiming small movements. I close my positions, and then when the market goes higher, I open again. This is what I do, and this is how we trade. Okay, guys? So we have one gold position, one USA 30. There we go. On USA 30, we are almost there to hit take profit. Guys, look here. The market just opened. Just opened. Okay, need a bit more time, get a bit more move up. On USA 30, I'm getting ready to open another one position. Let me see. Okay, I'm opening another one position on USA 30 because this is the small pullback we are always talking about. There we go. I just opened again a position on USA 30, a long position on USA 30, and on USA 100, I'm going also. Let's wait and see how the market will move. Ooh. Guys, look at Netflix. Netflix just opened. Netflix just opened. Where is Netflix? Netflix, Netflix. Go to Netflix. Just opened and is making us some money right now. This is Netflix. It needs to develop. Let it develop, and then we will get our money in. So there we go. We are making $400 on Netflix. $400. $400 on Netflix. Our estimation was very clear, very correct. I will leave Netflix now run, and I will leave Netflix run, and then when the market moves, I will get a bit more. So guys, for USA 100, I'm going again long. On USA 100, I'm going long. On USA 30, I will wait for the markets to go a bit more down and enter again. Here we go. I just entered again a long position on USA 30, and there we go. Netflix dropped, and we made some nice money on Netflix. We are making right now on Netflix $480. Just like that, you know, just like that. I sold Netflix. I sold Netflix, David, yesterday evening before, as you know, we had yesterday evening evening session, and before we finished the evening session, we sold Netflix because of the market news. The earning release was today, it was yesterday after the market closed. And we knew that Netflix will drop. Like from the analysis we made, based on the fundamentals, we were sure that Netflix will drop. We sold Netflix, and look there, with the market opening, we made $500. We put a stop loss. We put a stop loss yesterday, but we didn't put a take profit because we knew if the market opens against us, our stop loss will get triggered, but we went just for a take profit, and this is what happens. Currently, we are making $570. Guys, I'm going for, let me see, I will go for a take profit of, here we go. This is my take profit limit. There we go, $1,000. Let me see how it will work. I'm sure we will get some money out of there, and I will be happy. I will be happy. My take profit on Netflix is at 341. 341 is my take profit, and I'm going now to Kyriakos. He has an update. Kyriakos, please.
Guys, we are getting ready to hit our take profits on pound dollar and pound yen, guys. We are short on pound dollar. We are making almost $6,000 on our pound dollar short position. There we go. Get ready for some nice money, guys. Currently, we are up $2,566. I think it's time to increase that number, double it actually, or even triple it. Let's see, we are very close to hit our take profit on our pound dollar and pound yen positions. There we go. We just closed our pound dollar positions with profit, guys, and we have increased our profits to $3,786. Now is the time for pound yen to hit our take profit. Just 2 more pips and we will get the money. There we go, guys. We just closed also our pound yen positions, and we have increased our daily profits to $6,982. It seems that the pounds are very interesting, guys. So let's check what the other pairs are doing. Let me go to Aussie dollar. It's falling against us. Let me go to euro yen. It's approaching the support. We are short on euro dollar and it's falling nicely. Do you see the resistance level is amazing? So we are aiming for more money, guys. We are monitoring the pairs carefully, and I will keep you updated. So far, we have closed a straightforward position on pound yen, $3,195, and our positions on pound dollar have also closed with a total profit. Currently, we are up for the day, $6,982. There, okay, let's go back to Elif for the US session. Sorry for the interruption, Elif.
Problem, Kyriakos, no problem. So let's see. Well, our USA 100 and our USA 30 positions, they don't really move in the direction we want. Actually, they dropped, but they don't reverse yet, which doesn't mean that they will not reverse. I'm sure soon they will reverse. It's just a break now. It's just a break, but we will get there. We will get there. Let them run a bit more. Shall we get a bit more out of the movement down? Let me see if we should open a counter trade. If we should open a counter trade. Here is no. No, I will not open a counter trade for the trades I have. I will leave it run now, and in a short while they will catch up, guys. In a short while they will catch up and we will make some nice money. However, guys, just for you for info, this is what we did on Netflix today. We will continue doing it also on Tuesday, on Wednesday. We will check what kind of assets have earning releases after the market close or before the next day's market open. And based on that, we will set a position and let the position run. So get ready next week. We will go for more trades on the indices, on the shares, just for you for info. So let me see, I will leave my positions on USA 30 and USA 100 to run. Gold position is also running, Netflix is running. We didn't close any trade yet in the afternoon, but soon we will close. So far today we closed $26,000. We closed $26,000. We have 3 positions open on USA 30, 2 positions open on USA 100, and 1 position open on gold. Let's see how they will react and move, and then we will be back here and see. Let me see USA 30. Shall I go for another? No. I will wait until the middle Bollinger Band, and as soon as I see on the middle Bollinger Band some kind of movement, then I will enter again a position. Otherwise, I will not enter a position. Let me see. If I see that the market goes below, then I will get it. Otherwise, I will not. Yeah, it's good. On Netflix, we are making now $500. Guys, now it's time for me on USA 100, on USA 30 to open also a sell position. Let me see. Yes, guys, I'm opening a sell position, not a big one, just to get the best out of it. Just to get the best out of it. Let me see. I will go for a small move here. For a small move, take profit. I will put my take profit at 24. Oh no, 24,500. I will put it at 24,500. A very, very small profit. Very small one. Nothing in comparison to all the others which we had before. But at 500, the market might move on. Hello, Larry. Hello, Larry. Welcome. Nice to have you here. We will get a bit more. Come on. And I'm wondering what's happening now also on gold. Let's go also to gold and check also the gold trade. Here we go. We closed our first trade in the afternoon. Guys, I'm going to close. I'm going to trade a bit more on USA 30. I'm going again sell on USA 30. Also sell on USA 100. Here we go, just sold it. And I will put my take profit for both at 24,480. 480 is my take profit. Oh no. For USA 30, my take profit is at 24,480. Again, a small move down. And we will see another $600, which we are expecting here. Okay, we are expecting $600 here. Now I will go to gold to see what's happening on gold. No gold, I will leave it here. Gold. Yep. Come on, I will go for another sell position for USA 100. Here we go. I just opened again a sell position on USA 100. I have two now. And our take profit will be at 6,735. This is our take profit. 6,735. Since the market is moving down, we have buy position, but since the market is moving down right now after the US opening, then we get the best out of these movements. Okay, guys, this is what we do. And that's why we have these trades over here, just for you to know. Kyriakos has an update. Here we go.
Okay, guys, my eyes are focused on euro dollar. This is a 15-minute chart of euro dollar. And as you can see, our hedge short position is doing very well. A sudden decline on euro dollar. If we see on the 1 hour chart, remember this is a position that we are holding for 3 days now. Look at the resistance zone, guys. It has survived and it wasn't broken. Now we have a sudden decline to the downside. Based on the support and resistance analysis, as soon as this zone is still stays there, as soon as we don't have a 1 hour close above 114.12, I'm expecting euro dollar actually to fall even further and retest the 113.26 support level. So actually my TP is much higher than that. It's here and we are getting closer to hit our TPs, guys, on these trades. So the pairs that are not doing so well are the commodity pairs, Aussie dollar, Kiwi, and dollar CAD. They are my biggest losers. It seems that we are experiencing the so-called intraday trend reversal. So from down we go up and from up we go down. Okay. So dollar CAD, we see that after the news announcement, it was very close to hit our TP. It didn't. Now it has rebounded again above the support level. If I see in 20 minutes, the 1 hour candle closing above the support, then it means that the trend has changed and most probably we will trigger our hedging buy stop order. And if we break the 133.04, we will hit the TP. But for the moment, we are staying short. The same goes for the Kiwi. Actually, the Kiwi didn't move at all. I think we just had a very bad entry level on that. Happens, no worries. We are still long on the Kiwi, but you can see that it is still within the trading range. The same goes for Aussie dollar. We have the resistance level there. In order for us to reverse to short, we need to see new daily lows and the support level to be broken to the downside. So, having the last data in mind, my best performing trade for the moment is the reversal of short on euro dollar, a trade that has been trading for 3 days, including this one. We have triggered this position on the 16th of January. That was on Wednesday. And euro dollar lacked directional volatility. It's still valid and is still running. The only thing that we need to do, guys, is to be patient, and eventually we will see what we can get out of it. So what I have done for the day, a very, in brackets, poor day, I will say here. For me, just $6,982. Yesterday we made $24,000. And since the beginning of the year, we are at a very good path. 2019 is a very good year so far for us in terms of profits. But today it seems that we will keep our profits to a bit less than $10,000. Of course, it really depends on the markets. If we have if this downside movement on euro dollar continues and we have the desired volatility on Aussie dollar, Kiwi, and dollar CAD, then we might increase our profits through the night substantially. Otherwise, keep an eye on our Twitter account, guys. I might close some positions. Some positions might hit TP. We are always updating you through our Twitter account and, generally speaking, through our social media presence on YouTube channels and Facebook page. So you definitely need to be part of our social media sites, and don't forget, guys, I will repeat it once again, 15% discount on all training programs until the end of the day. So you have a few more hours to grasp this huge opportunity that Trademy is offering you and upgrade your existing training programs by enjoying an amazing 15% discount, guys. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade, improve your trading power, improve your trading knowledge, improve your trading skills. No need to remind you again of the importance of the one-to-one sessions with the mentors, with myself, Kyriakos, and my colleague Elif, which we concentrate on the practical aspects of trading, and we always try to improve and take your trading skills to the next level, because theory is one thing and live trading and actually applying theory, it's another thing. So upgrade your training programs. You still have a few hours, 15% discount on all training programs. Learn more things and then come to one-to-one sessions and watch us applying them live and making money out of them. So the content of the training programs, guys, is not a theoretical content. It's a content that can be applied and actually make money out of it. So 15% discount on all training programs until the end of the day, guys. If you would like to upgrade your training program, contact your personal account managers at Trademy.com. So that's all I have for the moment. I'm still monitoring the euro-dollar chart. I'm patiently waiting for the pair to further go down and eventually hit my take profit. The other pairs are still developing. I don't think we will hit any other profits within our trading session, within the next 10 minutes, for example. The only pair that has good chances of giving us some more money today is the reversal position, short position highlighted on my trading balance account on euro-dollar. Remember that this trade has been trading for 3 days. This is the third day we have it here. You just need to be patient, have a good money management in place, and you have nothing to be afraid of. And you must always be, not to get overexcited with profits, not to get over frustrated with losses. Remember, guys, that losses are part of the game and you should accept them as soon as you are not destroyed by them. So that's the purpose of a proper money management and risk management policy that definitely needs to be in place when trading financial instruments, guys. So that's all I have. Do you have any questions, by the way? Any questions for me? Anything at all? Those of you who do not have the Excel spreadsheet, it means that you cannot follow my hedging system. If you would like to know how this Excel spreadsheet works, if you would like to know how to operate this system after LTR hours, and if you would like even to optimize it based on your spreads and your trading account criteria, one-to-one session in the solution for you guys with me. Or if you would like to discuss about anything regarding trading strategies or Excel spreadsheets preparation, you can arrange a one-to-one session with us and we will be more than glad to assist you on that. So that's all I have for the moment. I don't know if Elif has any updates regarding the positions. So let's go straight to Elif.
Oh, guys, yes, we are going to hit some take profits on our sell positions. Let's see our sell position on USA 100 and our sell position on USA 30 are going to hit very soon, and on the other side also Netflix is moving nicely. Look at Netflix. Currently we are making $920 on Netflix. There we go. Netflix is there. Ching ching, we made $1,025 on Netflix, guys. $1,025 on Netflix, and this just because we read the news, guys. We read the news and we use the earning releases. $1,025. That's good. We increased our profits to $28,061. That's very nice. Let's go for the next one. Let's go for the next one. Maybe on Netflix. Shall we go for more on Netflix? No, I will leave Netflix now for us and go to the next one. Go to the next one. So, look, guys, USA 100 and USA 30, they come to the lower edge. If they reverse from here, they reverse. If not, and they go down, then this is, how can I say it? This is the new trend. It will go down, it will drop. That's why you remember we have 3 buy positions for USA 30 and 2 buy positions for USA 100. If this level here on USA 30 will be broken, then we will close our buy positions because most probably the market will continue to drop. Okay, guys, let's be aware of what is going on with the prices. And if the market goes below this level where we have our take profit, then we have to close our buy positions. Just be a bit aware of it, and then we see how the market continues. However, on the other hand, don't forget our gold trade. We have also a gold trade. Gold trade, here is that. The gold trade is here. It's not moving nicely, gold trade. Let's see. I'm thinking now to I think we closed the position. Yes, we closed the position on USA 30 with $684 on USA 30. Our sell position on USA 30 just got triggered, and now we will see. Okay, guys, we have to see now. You see the drop over there on USA 30. You see the drop. And on the other hand, on our stochastic oscillator, we see a cross, so a reversal will come. Let me check on a 15 minutes chart. Half an hour. Okay. I will put my stop loss. I will put a stop loss on all our USA 30 long positions. We will put our stop loss on all our USA 30 positions, guys. At which level shall we put it? Let's put it on. This is the level which we can put it. Okay. So guys, we will go another one short position on USA 30. Okay, we put another one short position. Then we put some stop losses on our buy positions. Our buy stop losses are at 24,435. This is our stop loss for all our USA 30 positions. Here we go. Here we go. This is our stop loss for all our buy USA 30 positions. So then our long positions will be at, the take profit will be at 24,590 for our buy positions. Now we'll put the same also for our short position. For our short position, our stop loss will be at 24,530. This is my stop loss, and my take profit for this position will be at 24,462. 62, yes. This is what will be our take profit and stop loss for this position. Then we have also a buy position on USA 100. Here we put also a take profit 6,900, 6,790 is our take profit. Let's go to USA 100. And we will, so guys, we closed also our sell position on USA 30. We have two sell positions. We increased our profits to 29,525. But on USA 100, I don't want to put any further sell positions. I will stick with my buy position, and the market will move up. My stop loss will be at 6,700. 6,700 will be my stop loss here. Come on, take it, take it, take it. $6,700 is our stop loss. So guys, we made some nice profits today. Gold made us really happy. Gold made us really happy with 29,525. A very nice day so far for me. I will see now with my trades how they will develop. And in this, yeah, okay, I will check how my trades will develop. We put our take profits, our stop loss. We make nice profits on Netflix, and we are looking forward for next week to see how the more the shares will move. Apart from that, remember guys, only today, still today, valid 15% discount. Just if you want to upgrade your account, do it now so you get 15% discount. Having said that, I'm wishing you all nice weekend, and I will see you all on Monday morning at 8 o'clock, at 9 o'clock UTC time here at Trademy.com. See you guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.